Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting work to prevent shocks or shorts. Allow the engine to cool at least 60 minutes before touching ignition coils or spark plugs to avoid burns and heat distortion. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket for coil bolts, a 5/8" or 14 mm spark plug socket, extension and ratchet, a torque wrench set to 18 lb-ft, 24 Nm, and new spark plugs gap to 0.44 inches. Remove the plastic engine cover if present by loosening fasteners with a 10 mm socket. Set cover aside. Working one cylinder at a time, disconnect each ignition coil electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. Then remove the coil bolt and pull the coil assembly up and out. Before removing a plug, clean debris from the plug well with compressed air. Use a spark plug socket and extension to loosen and extract the old plug, turning counterclockwise carefully until free to avoid dropping debris into the combustion chamber. Check each new plug gap is 0.44 inches and avoid using excessive anti-seize. Modern plated plugs typically do not require it. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the inside of each ignition boot, then hand start each new plug into the cylinder head to prevent cross-threading. Tighten plugs to 18 lb-ft, 24 Nm, using a torque wrench, reinstall ignition coils and connectors, replace the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery, then start the engine to confirm a smooth idle and no misfires or check engine lights.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.